This is the practice test for charts and graphs, and here we are looking at questions number 17 and 18. And we have a pie chart given to us. The pie chart below shows how Rebecca spends her money, and we have represented in the pie chart the different categories on which she spends her money, and we're given the percentages of each. For example, housing. We have 30% of her income is spent on housing. Transportation is 15%. Food is 15%. Personal health care, 20%. Personal and health care, 20%, and so on. So we get an understanding of the chart, and then we can answer the questions. Question 17. What percent of her income is spent on utilities? So we find the utilities right here, and we're given 5%, and that's our answer. And then for number 18, if Rebecca makes $3,000 per month, how much will she spend on food each month? So we are looking for the part of her total income per month, $3,000, that she's going to spend on food. This is a part problem, and we're going to use our part formula. The part that she spends on food is the percent times the total income per month. And we go to our pie chart and we see 15% spent on food, so 15% times 3,000 is $450.